Hi friends, it's Miss Jenifer at Somerset Academy of Music, and today I'm excited to play for you the F major arpeggio. That's right, I'm going to show you how to play the F major arpeggio with all the correct fingering and letter names, how to play 1 and 2 octaves, and also how to put hands together. Before we get started, I'd just like to thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you find it helpful, subscribe to my channel, and also share this video out with your friends and family. If you have any comments or suggestions, I would also appreciate that if you left it in the comment section below. Let's take a look at the right hand 1 octave, and the letter names are this: F, A, C, F, C, A, F. If we want to turn this into 2 octaves, what we're going to do is, instead of putting our pinky here on this F, we're going to tuck our thumb, remove our hand up to the next octave, and just continue on. Let's take a look at that again. F, A, C, F, A, C, F. Back down. That's F, C, A, F, C, A, F. The finger numbers for 2 octaves are 1, 2, 3. Tuck your thumb. 2, 3, 5. Back down. That's 5, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's take a look at the left hand. The left hand uses the same letters as the right hand, so I'm just going to take you through the finger numbers, which are, for 1 octave, 5, 4, 2, 1. Back down, 2, 4, 5. If we want to turn this into 2 octaves, what we're going to do is, when we get to this F, we're just going to cross our 4th finger all the way over to the A, being careful not to pop out our elbow, and then we just continue on up. Let me take you through that a little smoother with the finger numbers. 5, 4, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1. Back down. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 5. Okay, now let's take a look at putting hands together. Now, this particular arpeggio, right hand is using 3, left hand is using 4, so you want to be very careful and make sure that you keep that straight. Sometimes people find it a little difficult, and one of the hands, usually the left hand, will try to play 3, or the right hand will try to play 4, and we get them all mixed up. So let's take a look at 1 octave, and you'll probably see exactly what I'm talking about when you try to put it together. So I'm going to go through the letter names 1 octave: F, A, C, F, C, A, F. 2 octaves, we're going to put both our thumbs on this F when we get here. Looks like this: F, A, C, F. Cross your 4 in your left hand over to the A, C, F. On the way back down, F, C, A. Both thumbs go on F. Then you're going to cross your right hand 3rd finger to C, A, F. I'm going to do that one more time. Okay, if you made it all the way through the video this far, I'm going to share with you a secret on how to practice these hands together to make it a little easier, because you've probably figured out by now that those 3s and 4s are getting a little confused in hands. Sometimes that happens when we're practicing. So what you're going to do is you want to get yourself just some small stickers like this, and we're going to place a sticker on the finger we don't want to use in each hand. So in my left hand, I want to remember not to use my 3rd finger, and in my right hand, I will want to remember not to use my 4th finger. So when you start to learn the scale putting hands together, especially 2 octaves, you can use this as a little practice trick to help you learn the fingering. Then once you've got it mastered and you know what it feels like, then you can remove the stickers and you should find it a little bit easier. But this is what it's going to do. See how these stickers are really popping out on these fingers, making me really aware of these fingers so I know not to use them. Looks like this when you put it together. As I said, once you get comfortable with the fingering on this particular arpeggio, you can just remove the stickers, and you'll find it easier. You can use this sticker trick on a couple of the different arpeggios. Well, thank you so much for watching the video, especially if you made it all the way to the end. I really appreciate it. Please consider giving this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video out with your friends and family. Also, if you have any suggestions or comments, I'd love it if you left those in the comments below, and I will look forward to seeing you in the next video real soon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.